Hello. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to edit the discount settings to apply discounts to specific products or collections. First, access the pop-up editor by clicking on the pop-up. Here is the pop-up editor. To set discount settings, navigate to the slide containing the discount. As an example, here is a unique discount code created via Alia. Click on the discount to reveal an Edit button. Click on the Edit button to open the Discount Settings tab. Scroll down to find the section labeled Applicable Items. By default, the discount will apply to all products. To change this, click on All Products and select either specific products or specific collections based on your needs. For this demonstration, we will select Specific Product. Next, click on Edit Selection. Here you can select the products you want the discount to apply to and then click Add. Once you're done, click Save. If you have an educational flow in addition to this, you will need to modify the discount settings there as well. Click on Education to access the Educational Flow Editor. Scroll down to find the Reward section. The process here is the same. Click on All Products, then Specific Product Edit Selection. Select the products you want the discount to apply to, then click Add and Publish. And that's how you apply discounts to specific products or collections.